Hey there! Today we're going to look at how to show the command prompt on your cursor in AutoCAD. So let's get started. First, make sure the command prompt is visible at the bottom of your AutoCAD screen. Over here, this is where you normally type commands. Then type dyn mode into the command line and press enter. After that, enter the value 3 and press enter again. Over here, this enables the dynamic input feature. Then press F12 on your keyboard to toggle dynamic input. After that, check if the command prompt appears near your cursor. Over here, if it is not visible, continue with the next step. Then type dyn prompt into the command line and press enter. After that, enter the value 1 and press enter again. Over here, this activates command prompt visibility on the cursor. Then, confirm that the command prompt now follows your cursor. After that, continue working with commands directly near the cursor. Over here, your workflow will now become faster and more efficient. Then, revert the settings anytime if you want the default command line view. And that wraps it up. Appreciate you watching. See you in the next.